Hi, Golden Generation! Welcome back to Golden Corner with me, Miss Marina. Alright, today we're going to do something fun. Can you guess what DIY craft will make? Let me give you a clue. It's about beautiful insect with colorful wings. That's right! We'll make a paper butterfly. Let's get started. This craft is super simple. You only need some folded papers and pipe cleaners. Golden? Great! Now let's start folding. First, fold the paper into triangle like this. Make sure the edges are neat, like this. Fold one side, forward and backward, forward and backward like an accordion. Do the same to the other side. Forward, backward, forward, and backward like this. This will make the wings look realistic. You need 2 of these folded pieces to make the butterfly's wings. Easy, right? Now, use 1 piece of pipe cleaner to tie the wings together in the middle like this. Alright, and now open up all the wings. And ta-da! Your beautiful butterfly is ready! You can mix and match colors to make your butterfly even more stunning. This is a great craft for kids and class projects. Super easy and no scissors needed. Try it at home and show me your creations in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching and see you next time.